Hey guys, this is Kurt down at Carns Equipment with a 2023 Can-Am Ryker Rally 900. The Ryker is kind of the sport of the Spider family, intended for more sportier riding, but also a lot of them are single seats, a few are double seats. But the Ryker Rally is really nice, like I said, sportier. Got the KYB suspension, you've got the Rally rims on it, so it looks good. Got the front bumper that comes on it, and those KYB suspensions, you can see they do have the adjustments on there to change your ride. LED lights. This one has the Adventure adjustable windshield on it. You can see the teal color in it that they put on there. Of course, you got the hand guards, you got the mirrors, the foot brake. Also comes standard with the Rakopovich exhaust. But here's a couple other things the guy added. Rear seat, so if you wanted a passenger to do that. And what's cool, there's your footrest for that passenger. Of course, they can hang on there or they can hang on to you. He did add the rear trunk, so you've got room to throw your gear in. Of course, that is lockable. It does have the lock on it and everything. But really great machine, easy to ride. A lot of fun for those of you like the single seat or like, you know, to go out with somebody else. So if you're looking for a Ryker like this, come down to Carns Equipment in Clearfield. You can also call us at 814-765-5684 and find it on our website at carnsequipment.com.